Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2016 RX 350 F Sport Series 2 in the ultra white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low mileage, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED fog lights, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, F-Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push start ignition, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, sunroof, black interior in great shape, rear heated seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.